Hello guys, today I want to show you how to use the GPU shader of Blender 2.8 to draw images into the viewport with Python. I added this feature to my BL/UI widgets library for the buttons. You can see it here for the buttons scale and rotate. For each button I loaded a PNG image that has a transparent background. Okay, so let's first have a look at the operator of the add-on, which inherits the BL/UI OT_draw operator. So this could be your custom operator that you use to add your own UI widgets. I added two buttons to it, and here you can see how to set the image. At the moment you have to define a relative path to your image. This means it starts with 2 slashes, and the folder img, in my case, is a folder inside of the add-ons folder. Beside of that you can define the size of the image and the position inside of the button. Both parameters are tuples. Okay, so let's have a look on how this functionality in the BL/UI button class is actually implemented. This is the button class that I already showed in a previous part, and now scroll down to the setImage methods, setImageSize, setImagePosition, and here in the setImage method I am loading the image and also use the method glload to load it into the OpenGL graphics memory. In the update method I'm calculating the size of the image, which I store in the vertices tuple. After that I create a built-in shader of type 2D image, and then a batch for this shader that will be rendered as triangle fan. And this uses the vertices of the image and some simple texture coordinates to map the image. Okay, then let's go to the draw method, where the button is painted, and here I call a new method that I implemented, and this is called drawImage. Here I check if an image is assigned, you remember by calling the setImage method, and bind the image to the target glTexture2D. Now OpenGL knows that it has to render a 2D texture, and the only thing we have to do now is to bind the shader, define which image to draw, and then use the batch to draw it. And that's basically how to draw 2D images with Blender 2.8 and the built-in GPU shaders. I hope you liked this short tip. Get the add-on for free from my GitHub page, the link is added to the description. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to support me, think about being my patron. Thank you guys for watching this, thanks for your support, and I'll see you on JNM.